What's up, Prepsters? Happy Friday. All right, today we're going to dive right into the ACT reading section. I'm going to tell you about a really good strategy that you can use to be able to determine exactly what the question's looking for based on the question itself. So there are two types of questions on the ACT reading section. There are find it questions, like according to the passage, and there are interpret questions, such as most nearly means. On find it questions, you want to find pretty much exactly what the question is looking for. So here I go to the question. I see the mountain range in Atlantic's basin covers nearly the same amount of Earth's surface as does, and I see here that I've got Mount St. Helens, Himalayas, Pacific Ocean, the dry land of continents. What I want to do is go through the passage and I want to use those answers: Himalayas, dry land of continents, Mount St. Helens, and whoa, look at this, Himalayas, dry land of continents. Earth's surface is a dry land of continents. It says it exactly right there. That's all I need. Boom. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So my answer for this is D. Then I'm on to the next one. According to the passage, the white cover on the peaks of the mountains. I look at the answers. I see skeletal remains of microscopic animals. I see sedimentary volcanic ash. I see patches of ice. I see salt deposits. All right, I'm going to use those. I'm going to find them in the passage. Let's go. Let's go. So I go over here and I see, all right, microscopic animals. What? That's wild. Patchy covering of white cover. The skeletal remains of tiny microscopic animals. That's my answer. It's right there. Done. Let's go. Let's go. Boom. So I got D for this one, and for this one I've got F. Both are correct. I used my answers. I was able to find the answer. I was able to do this correctly. Let's go.